so proud of me. I'm smushing up my baby bumblebee. Oh, what a mess. He's not going for it this time. Maybe. What is it, Henry? What a mess. What a mess. What a mess. He's like a little parrot. He repeats everything you say. Henry, where's Charlie? Oh, there's Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
He's your cousin.
Can I give Charlie a kiss?
Give him a kiss. Here he comes.
Kisses.
Give him a kiss. He's ready. Look, he's waiting for you.
Where are you going?
You gotta get in a good position.
Good kisses. Good kisses. You gave a good kiss.
Give Angelina a kiss. Give Jojo a kiss.
I don't see it going around here.
What?
Oh.
Are you riding the horse? We'll do the horse ride?
What does a horse say?
You wanna go
And then
ride
they
the
say,
horse? Henry, you wanna go for a ride? Ride the horse? Go for a ride?
Nay, would not like to.
I love his deep voice. Where are you going? Is that Charlie Brown?
There's Charlie Brown.
If you press him, it makes music. You want to see?
Let me see.
Yeah, you want to see?
Where are you going?
What are you doing, Charlie? What are you doing?
Eating your
Doing what I
coat.
do best. Stick things in my mouth.
Who's that? That's Henry.
Get some tickles.
That's your cousin.
You show your tickles?
You want to press it? Press his tummy.
Just like Lowen.
Squeeze his tummy. Put tracker right
You
there.
want the remote?
Yep.
Okay, squeeze. Take him here. Squeeze it. Squeeze the
Dance.
bottom. Right there.
That's a cute little face. He just did that. Press his tummy.
Where's his belly button? Where's Charlie Brown's belly button? Where's the
He
Dolly's
goes
belly
to him
button?
for Charlie.
Where's his belly button? Press his belly button and it'll make music.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just turn it to very low, Kenny. How much time in the muffins? It says it on the oven.
Push it. Right here.
It's done.
Oh, it went off?
Yeah, it didn't go up. It's about 5 seconds.
Okay. 5 seconds or 5 minutes?
5 seconds.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. It's counting. It was only, yeah, it's seconds.
Oh, it was down to seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's done.
Yeah. Well, it'll say like 05, so I'm like 6 seconds left? Oh wait, 6 minutes.
She doesn't trust me on anything.
I trust you, Kitty.